Today we're taking a look at one of the best-priced Class A gas motorhomes in the RV industry. It features an impressive floor plan, and honestly, it's been quite a while since we've had the chance to see this motorhome again. Right now, we're here at Motorhome Specialist, and today we're touring the 2026 Forest River FR3 Model 34DS. In this video, we'll walk you through the exterior features, the interior design, and at the end, we'll share 3 things we love and 3 things we don't like about this motorhome. So let's get started. Motorhome overview. This is the 2026 Forest River FR3 34DS. The total length of this motorhome is approximately 35 feet 11 inches. Water capacities include fresh water, around 50 gallons. Gray water, 52 gallons. Black water, 52 gallons. This motorhome is built on the Ford F53 chassis and is powered by the 7.3-liter V8 Godzilla engine. This engine is widely known for being powerful, reliable, and perfect for Class A gas motorhomes. Exterior design. At the front, you'll notice a large curved windshield, which provides excellent visibility while driving. The FR3 typically comes with a black and gray color scheme. While it doesn't have full body paint, the design still looks sleek and modern. On both sides, you'll find large side mirrors, built-in side cameras. These features help improve visibility and driving safety. Wheels and tires. This motorhome is equipped with Michelin tires, 235/80 or 22.5. It also features Alcoa rims, which are commonly found on higher-end motorhomes. Even though this is considered an entry-level Class A motorhome, these premium components give it a more upscale feel. Awning and outdoor features. On the side of the motorhome, you'll find a power awning with LED lighting, an exterior TV, a propane quick connect. These features make outdoor camping more enjoyable, especially when relaxing outside in the evening. Storage compartments. Along the lower section of the motorhome, there are multiple storage compartments for camping gear and travel essentials. Some of these areas include pass-through storage, providing convenient access from both sides. Power and utilities. This motorhome includes several important utility features such as 50-amp power connection, NPS 6000 generator, 2 rooftop air conditioners. It also features a Nautilus wet base system, which simplifies water management and hookups. Interior entrance. As soon as you step inside, you'll notice the dinette area. The kitchen. A wide walkway that runs throughout the motorhome. This layout provides plenty of space to move around and feels very comfortable for longer trips. Living area. The living room area includes theater seating, a large TV, an electric fireplace. The fireplace not only adds a cozy atmosphere but also provides additional heat during colder weather. Kitchen area. The kitchen features a large single-bowl sink, an extension faucet, cutting board inserts, plenty of storage cabinets. Additional appliances include a microwave, a 3-burner stove, an oven. There's also a large Norcold refrigerator, providing plenty of space for food and drinks while traveling. Dinette area. The dinette is spacious and includes built-in cup holders, storage compartments underneath. This dinette can also convert into a bed, providing additional sleeping space. Bathroom. This motorhome features a bath-and-a-half layout. This means you get 1/2 bathroom, 1 full rear bathroom. The rear bathroom includes a shower, a sink, a porcelain toilet, additional storage cabinets. Bedroom. The bedroom comes with a comfortable king-size bed. Other features include windows on both sides, USB and power outlets, a large TV. One standout feature is the combo washer and dryer, which is already installed and ready to use. 3 things we like. 1. Bath-and-a-half layout. This feature is very convenient, especially for families traveling together. 2. Wide entry door. The FR3 has a wider entry door compared to many other RVs, making it easier to enter and exit. 3. Large dinette area. The dinette is spacious and provides comfortable seating for multiple people. 3 things we dislike. 1. Narrow rear bathroom. The rear bathroom feels a little tight in terms of space. 2. Dinette table design. The table design doesn't feel very premium or sturdy. 3. Storage access. Some storage compartments are a bit difficult to access. Overall, the 2026 Forest River FR3 34DS is a very solid entry-level Class A gas motorhome. It offers a great floor plan, a reasonable price point, several premium features. If you're looking to enter the Class A motorhome lifestyle, this could be a great option to consider.